Hello, this is Moniza Hashmi from Lahore, Pakistan. I'm a trustee of the Faiz Foundation. Following this message, you're going to be watching a video that we have prepared to tell you about the activities and the events that take place in Faiz Ghar. There are seminars, exhibitions, book launches, workshops, training classes, and of course, the big Faiz festival every year. Watch the film and give us your feedback about Faiz Ghar and the Faiz Foundation Trust.
रात यूं दिल में तेरी खोई हुई याद आई, जैसे वीराने में चुपके से बाहर आ जाए, जैसे सहराओं में हौले से चले बाद नसीम, जैसे बीमार को बेवजह करार आ जाए.
Faiz Ahmed Faiz was born on the 13th of February 1911 in a small village in district Sialkot, Pakistan. After studying Urdu, Persian, Arabic and English, he received the bachelor's degree in Arabic, followed by a master's degree in English from Government College Lahore in 1932. Soon after, he received a second master's degree in Arabic from the Oriental College Lahore. After graduating, Faiz began a teaching career at the MEO College in Amritsar and subsequently at the Haley College, Lahore. Faiz was awarded the prestigious Lenin Peace Prize in 1962 for his efforts in promoting peace and universal human rights through his vision and poetry. Faiz has been acknowledged as the greatest Urdu poet after Allama Iqbal. Even those who were critical of his progressive, social, and political beliefs have not been able to deny him that position. Faiz Ahmed Faiz died in Lahore in 1984 and was awarded Pakistan's highest civilian award, the Nishan-e-Imtiaz.
Faiz Ghar literally means the house of Faiz. It is situated in Model Town in the city of Lahore, Pakistan. A peaceful residential locality, the Faiz Ghar is the outcome of a new generation's tribute to the creative and poetic genius of a man whose poetry became the voice of the people, our voice. In a society where many art forms are generally considered unimportant and thus ignored, the Faiz Foundation Trust is dedicated to creating a conducive atmosphere for the promotion of the arts, literature, and culture.
The Faiz Foundation in the last few years had tried to bring together people from all walks of life, creative people, writers, musicians, artists, intellectuals, teachers, workers, bring them together on one forum so that they can interact, so they can add to the lives of the citizens not only of Lahore but of Pakistan, and so that they can give us a sense of hope and a sense of fulfillment.
Faiz Ghar houses a collection of Faiz memorabilia spread out in different sections of the small building. The Faiz Ghar, though a modest venture, has been designed keeping in mind the intended purpose of its establishment.
In a world today, a world of violence, a world of hatred, a world of intolerance, it is absolutely imperative to talk of peace, to talk of respect of human rights, to promote togetherness, freedom of speech, and democratic values. This was the vision of Faiz this is what we hope to promote and are promoting through our activities of Faiz Ghar.
The Faiz Foundation Trust is a registered entity with the government of Pakistan, so far funded by the Faiz family and many of his close associates, friends, and young people who love his work and his ideology. It is hoped that in the coming years, the Faiz Ghar will be a center for the promotion of progressive and artistic ideas, a center for important cultural events, and a center for music and art.
सब अपने हैं, ये मानो वतन सब अपने हैं, ये हाथ सलामत है जब तक इस खून में हरारत है, जब तक इस खून